I got these two HP monitors for free. Today I'll be sharing 4 tips on how you can get PC parts, peripherals, and full-blown systems all for the low price of $0. So number 4 is getting these things from school. This is the exact way I got my monitors. I had a teacher I knew fairly well, and I told her that I had just built a PC, but I was using my TV as a monitor. So she offered me one of the retired monitors from a closet. Schools, whether it's a high school, college, whatever, when all their tech gets obsolete, they're usually stripped of their hard drives for security and sent up to some other location, but some usually don't make it that far. Just ask computer teachers or other staff like, hey, I'm wanting to build or get a computer, is there anything that's not being in use I could use? And even if they turn you down, at least you tried rather than not knowing at all. But if you aren't taking classes and don't like talking to people, another way is asking family, which I guess you're still talking to people, and friends. Just tell them that you want to get a computer so you can play games, stream, or make videos. Just don't say, hey, can I have your PC? And if you come out dry, maybe they know someone with some unused stuff. Next up, and please bear with me, is dumpster diving. Now before you say anything, I'm not recommending replicating one of those literal dumpster diving videos behind a GameStop or something. What I'm saying is that if you happen to see some PCs being thrown out, ask the business or whatever if you can snatch it up. Don't actually go dumpster diving. What I do recommend, and this is my next tip, recycling centers or e-waste centers. Now personally I've come up empty as all the centers around my location either aren't allowing this practice or auction off everything elsewhere. But I'm sure that there are some places in different areas that do, as I've seen some pretty successful finds. Just do your research and find different recycling centers, give them a call or visit, and see if you can take anything. Hopefully you guys can take some inspiration from my tips, and maybe you'll end up with some new gear. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.